Recording.
Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we got my 6-shooter pipe along with the grinder, magnetic grinder on the bottom, conveniently on the bottom, one-piece unit. And I just want to break it down for you, how simple it is. This particular pipe, I'm adding 10 screens and the wrench to open it up so you could like change screens. And this is what this pipe consists of. There we go. You got a screen right here. They're 1/2-inch screens, and it's just a matter of taking this unit off, changing the screen, and putting it back on. And I'm supplying screens and a tool to do it with. And it's definitely a novelty pipe. And look at the way it flips. It's all ring calibrated. And it's just very nice. And they make great stocking stuffers. Okay. That's good.
Hey, that